months because it's not normal growth. Yeah, that's the reason why I say it's contain a lot of dangerous thing in its flesh.
I forgot that.
You know, in Malaysia,
I forgot that.
they call
I forget.
potong ayam cucuk.
Ayam cucuk.
Cucuk. You know cucuk what? Cucuk mean with noodles, with needles. Cucuk. Ayam cucuk. Jadi itu semua injection, full with always they give always say the girls the leaf. Save for me. For this place,
MashaAllah, our lecturer, how the world healthy, sir. Healthy over there.
Weh, Mister.
Yeah.
especially for long term. Especially ayam kampung. Or ayam barak.
Ayam barak not been injected, right?
No.
No.